क्या सुहाना मौसम हो रखा है। So, welcome everyone. Welcome to my vlog. This is the first time I'm trying this. I don't know, it feels a little weird. I hope you guys like this. Today we are just going for a small spin on my GT650. This heat is like dehydrating, and it's gonna get worse. So, telling you guys about my bike. It's a 2019. It's a pretty less driven bike, not even 3000 kilometers, and it's a Continental GT650. I've tried to clean it up and all. These buggers. Hope you're able to hear me when I'm riding the bike, and the mic picks up actually. I live in Delhi. Basically, I live in Noida. It's like Delhi NCR area. Green light, green light, green light. Bike is running pretty well. Just today I just opened the battery to check the voltage and all, and it's holding up. It's an old battery. I put it on charge for a couple of hours. Please let me know in comments how was my vlog, how is the sound, am I clear on the vlog and the angle and everything. I'm like new to all this. So meeting a friend of mine here. So this is my bike. I just met with a friend. Let's go to Royal Enfield service station. We'll get a new air filter. Also, I have to check on one of my friend's bike. It's a Himalayan BS, I think BS3 version. It's an old version. There was some work in its head. So it's being parked in the service station from like, I think probably 5 days. So we'll just check on the bike. In stock condition, the front suspension are like really plush, not actually the one that you want for a 650cc bike, like a high speed bike. I've tried to fix it a little, stiffen it up with these preload adjusters, and it's like behaving a lot better. I think the springs should be a little on the heavier side. But we'll get it done in due time. I'll do a review on these preload adjusters. The Royal Enfield showroom is basically in Sector 10, Noida. It's nearby. Everything is nearby in Noida. We are here. Let's hope they have it in stock. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in a few. The work is done here at Royal Enfield. Checked on the bike, my friend's bike, Himalayan. Still nothing is there. The engine is open here. And there were some things that were getting replaced for my bike in warranty. The lock shed of the bike, as the fuel cap is actually leaking, so petrol comes out of the tank when it's like full, and like not on side stand but while I'm riding, so it's really dangerous. So it's getting replaced in warranty, so that order has been placed today. Plus the rear shockers are not working as they actually should. So that's, they told that they'll make a video on that, and that's when they will get it approved. So there was a guy who I met here, so just taking him to a shop to get some accessories for. He actually liked the tank bag that I have, so he wants that similar tank bag. Probably he'll not get it here, but something he'll get it similar to that. So let's see if we get it here. Lakshmi, I was telling him Swati. This is the one I was saying, Swati. This is Lakshmi. So, भैया है ऊपर? हाँ? ऊपर है. You can check with him. Okay. So, just helping out a guy, like a fellow biker. Noida has become like so much populated now. It was not like this when we actually came here. It's a small engine, but yeah, all fun you can do with a 650. I hope when I am like going probably like over 60, The audio is getting recorded, like clear audio is getting recorded. So here, earlier there was a Yamaha showroom here, from where I bought my first bike, Yamaha R15 version 1. That showroom, actually, a long time back it caught on fire. They shifted the showroom elsewhere. Now there's a new building there. A lot has changed. These are like really loud pipes. The pipes on the exhaust are actually, they are Red Rooster performance. And then I say my bike doesn't give mileage to me. Children, school children. It was nice talking to you guys. It's we won't probably. So I'll conclude my today's vlog here. Probably I'll go somewhere out in the evening. I'll maybe continue then, but for now, this is it. This is TK signing out.